Hello kids, let's draw a beautiful house. First of all, I am drawing their roof.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives
Now I
on
am drawing
Drury
their
Lane?
walls.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Now I am drawing their window.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
It's another window.
Know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Yes, we know
Now I am drawing their door.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Outside the house there is a tree. Let's draw it.
Do you know
Now I am drawing tree.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
Now I am drawing the grass.
Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
It's a sunny day and now I am drawing the sun. Birds are flying.
I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Let's learn color names. Orange color, black color, dark brown color, silver color, light green color, dark green color, purple color, light brown color, yellow color, light pink color, red color. Now let's paint this beautiful house. First of all, I am coloring in window. This is a red color. Green color.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones.
Now let's paint its roof.
Sticks and stones,
It's orange color.
fair lady. Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair
Sky blue color.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my
Yellow color.
lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
Let's paint the door. violet color,
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
green color,
London Bridge is falling down, my
dark blue color, house is looking so beautiful, light pink color,
A, B, C, D, E,
now let's paint the tree,
H, I, J,
dark green color,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you?
outside the house there is a beautiful tree,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
brown color,
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
it's a grass and let's paint it light green color,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
yellow color,
J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
it is a sun,
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
let's highlight the
J, K, L,
whole drawing with yellow color,
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
it's looking so beautiful.
Next time, won't you sing with me? Lulu, skip to my Lulu.
It's done. Bye bye kids. Take care. See you again in next video.